Flares are pyrotechnic devices used for signaling, illumination, or as a defensive measure. They come in various shapes and sizes and are commonly used in marine and aviation contexts as well as in military operations. A flare typically consists of a casing filled with chemicals that ignite when exposed to air. Once ignited, the flare burns with a bright flame and produces intense heat and smoke, making it highly visible from a distance. Flares can also produce a loud sound, making them useful for signaling in noisy environments. Marine flares are commonly used to signal distress, while aviation flares can be used for emergency signaling or to illuminate runways during low visibility conditions. In military applications, flares can be used as a defensive measure to distract or confuse enemy forces. Flares can be dangerous if mishandled or used improperly. They should only be used in emergency situations or by trained professionals.